Alright, I just got out of the tractor so I can kind of give you a little visual of how smooth this is. I mean, it's pretty smooth. Be ready. And again, here's the Sunflower 12-12-15 with the Remlinger rollers on the back. And like I said, if you never tried a Sunflower, you don't know what you're missing. Not a cheap product, but you get what you pay for. And this is a fine disc harrow. Really level, extremely high force to cut with. No center. The way it's offset, it's double offset, so it catches the center, so there's no center left. It really does a fine job considering what we started with, and I showed you on the first part of the video.